Alright, just in case, I'll go over how it works. On top here, that's the advance wheel. On the inside, the little teeth on the bottom will latch into the film. The battery itself is only for the flash, so it has nothing to do with the advancement of the film. And you're going to put your film here, get enough of it that it latches in down to these teeth, because otherwise this thing won't pull the film this direction. And what happens up here is that this moves as well. So as this moves, this eventually locks in to take a shutter release. So if I were to pretend that I'm advancing the film, see how it clicked in? Now that ran the shutter. So that's all that happens in this thing, is that the film, you have to pull it enough that it latches in here and then turn this thing. It's kind of difficult. I messed up one of my rolls doing it. Yeah. And when it's all done, you won't be able to advance it anymore. You're going to have to use this thing up here to rewind it, and obviously don't open this until you fully rewound the film. I don't remember how to do this, but yeah. So, oh, actually, you're going to have this up, right? Yeah, before you can put the film in, and then you put it down. So it's all manual. There's no batteries. Anyways, hopefully that's helpful.